My today's talk is not about diabetes. It's about a more horrifying health hazard that people, especially those living in bigger metros, face today. It's about air pollution and its impact on various respiratory malignancies, allergic asthmatic bronchitis, various other lung disorders, and other allergic conditions that are very much on the rise on a day-to-day basis. I was in a capital city last week and I was shocked when I looked out of my hotel window in the morning. The sun was shining bright. The temperature was quite warm, but still I could see a thick fog outside in the atmosphere. Delhi, as we all know, towards the last months of the year is usually misty, foggy, and cold. So I presumed it was a foggy day ahead. But then only later I realized it wasn't actually fog, but instead it was smog due to fumes emitted out of industries and automobiles. This could very well emerge as a major health hazard for children and adults living in metros as polluted as this. Now let us look into the impact this air pollution can have on our health. To know this better, we have to know about the AQI, or the Air Quality Index, in atmospheric air. What is AQI? In a healthy, breathable air, it has usually about 22% oxygen and 77% nitrogen, and remaining part comprising a few other gases, of which carbon monoxide is usually the least and quite often 0%. But in situations where the AQI level rises, then the carbon monoxide percentage also goes slightly higher and reaches around 10 ppm. This could be really dangerous. In a normal situation, it is the oxygen that binds to hemoglobin in your blood, thereby enabling it to be carried to the brain and other tissues in your body. Carbon monoxide has more affinity towards binding with hemoglobin. So when carbon monoxide level goes higher in the atmosphere, there is a good chance that it will replace oxygen and bind to the hemoglobin in your blood. This affects the oxygen supply to your brain and leads to brain hypoxia. And this is one of the reasons why we feel tired and lethargic, have constant headaches, cough, cold, and allergic symptoms when exposed to such polluted air. So be extremely careful when you expose yourself to such an environment. You have now facility available to check the AQI, so avoid spending too much time outdoors or inside your car in busy traffic on days when AQI is very high. Using masks and air purifiers at home also helps to a certain extent.